Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, this is your English B teacher and today we are going to learn our English Grammar Today book 3 page number 44. Students, in this page we will revise our concepts of articles, pronouns and adjectives. Students, let's revise our concept with the help of this video. Articles are a, an and the. You can see in this sentence, this is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Students, we have used a, an and the to point out the noun flower and orange. These words, that is a and the, used to point out nouns, are called articles. A, an and the, these are articles. Students, as you know, the article a is used before a word that begins with a consonants. So you can see the consonants like a cow, a beetle, a deer or a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream. So students, a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Students, we use the when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. As you can see in the picture, there is an umbrella on the stall. We are talking about the particular stall. Student, article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For examples, as you can see at the picture, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches and the dolls. Students, I hope you understand the concept of the articles. Now let's revise our concept of pronouns. You know, pronouns are the words that takes the place of a noun like he, she, we, they, it, etc. We will further discuss it with the help of different sentences like he is my father. You can see in this sentence we are using he instead of the name of the father. So he is pronoun because we are using in the place of noun. She is my mother. Here we are using she in the place of noun. So she is pronoun. Students, we also use it for the animals or for non-living things. I hope you revise the concept of pronouns. Now it's time to revise our concept of adjectives. Students, words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Students, words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. So students, adjectives are the words used to describe quality, color, size, shape or number. I hope you understand the concept of adjectives. Students, an adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like our five senses. So these are also adjectives. So students, I hope you understand the concept of adjectives like beautiful girl or salty chips. These are the qualities, so these are adjectives. Now we will solve our activity A from page number 44, our Grammar Today book. As you can see, filling the blanks with a, an or the. At number 1, you can see we use dash straw to drink from dash bottle. We use a straw to drink from the bottle. We have used a with the straw and the with the bottle because straw is singular and we are referring to a particular thing as we have discussed in the videos. We have used the with the bottle. I saw dash emu in the zoo the other day. We have used an because emu start with E. Students, at number 3, you can see I have seen dash Minar-e-Pakistan, the Minar-e-Pakistan. We have used the because Minar-e-Pakistan is a particular place, a proper noun. At number 4, you can see I would like to buy dash umbrella, an umbrella. We have used an because umbrella starts with U. At number 5, you can see I'm hungry, please make a sandwich for me. A sandwich, we have used a because sandwich starts from a consonant S. Students, in B activity, as you can see, filling the blanks with the suitable pronouns. Now we will add pronouns. At number 1, I have a cupboard. Dash has many drawers. It has many drawers. Cupboard, it. We have used it in the place of noun. Number 2, dash like listening to music. So we will write I like listening to music. And number 3, would dash like to come with us to the zoo? Would you like to come with us to the zoo? Number 4, is he or she coming to dinner tonight? These are all pronouns. At number 5th, you can see you shouldn't park your car. Here we have used you. At number 6, dash gets up at 6 o'clock every day. He or she, we will use he or she because we don't know about the gender. Is it he or she? At number 7, you can see would you mind helping me? Student, that was pronoun activity. Now we will do the adjectives activity. Like number 1, Sadia is an 8 girl or intelligent girl. There are 2 options, both are adjectives and we have to choose correct one. We will take intelligent. And number 2, you can see my favorite subject is English or my brave subject is English. Obviously we will take the favorite. Third sentence, you can see my mother was happy or sad that I had done my homework. Of course, everyone's mother is happy. No doubt, happy is also adjective, sad is also adjective. But we have to choose the correct one. Nahid is my best friend or shiny friend? Best. We will take best. Razia is a polite girl or green girl? Of course, polite girl. We will take the polite. Students, that is so easy and I think you can do the rest of the sentences by yourself. Enjoy your learning. Stay blessed. Thank you.